So we have like crossed more than half the time, and we are not done with the first question as yet, right? So we'll move forward with the. So Professor Vasu, your जर्नी आपकी क्या आपका क्या सफर रहा एक प्रोफेसर गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट आपको क्या जरूरत पड़ी डायरेक्ट सेलिंग की और डायरेक्ट सेलिंग में आके व्हाट आर द चेंजेस दैट यू सी इन योर लाइफ
वेलकम टू ऑल थैंक्स टू IDSA thanks to the team members who are today participating in this symposium. As you know that you have rightly asked, what was the necessity after more than 3 decades of teaching economics? That too, most secured job with the government salary, central government, with a pensionable UGC salary. And wife being a medical doctor, owning a hospital in such a big city like Chennai, allopathy doctor, having more than 30 bedded hospital. What attracted you to quit all other profession and embrace the most pious direct selling industry? This is a really very emotional story of mine. While I was teaching economics, I was a gold medalist, as you know, you told. My wife is a MBBS doctor, then she specialized in general medicine, general practitioner. And with all this, we thought that we will be rich. And we will not have any financial crisis in our life because both are professionals. We made a lot of money also. Before I looked at to go direct selling industry, I was owning couple of cars, couple of land, couple of house, own nursing home, everything on. But as you know, the life cycle ups and down. Every time economy is not same. As an economist, I'm telling you now, we are seeing how such big industry can fall down like a pack of cards. How big corporate empire. We have seen the story of Malia, to name a few. We have seen the story of Jet Airways. We have seen many corporate sector. And it can happen in the case of the private industry also, private profession also. And we were doing well, and we had enough. But I know that we don't have enough while we retire, while we are old. My children were growing, and we were missing the time. The life was miserable because we are unable to spend the time with the children and family because of running behind money. I married a doctor. As you know, that doctors can bring a lot of money and I will be rich. I am not saying that my wife, deceived me, not being rich. She made enough money, couple of lakhs net income we had. But still the problem was, while I come back from college, while I want to relax, I will want to go to the bed in the late night. My wife is missing. She is working in the hospital, emergency, delivery. अरे यार, शादी किया है डॉक्टर के साथ और अस्पताल के साथ मालूम नहीं. As that was the life. And our children, while we were small, while baby was weeping for milk, my wife used to be in the hospital. This is what I am telling in the initial phase of our life in 1980s. I was doing lot of business, Dr. Kamal. I was doing stock market. I was doing real estate. Harshad Mehta taught me that scam or the crisis of stock market. I should never go back again to the stock market. Not that I am nostalgic, but a lot of investment were wiped out. I was running a private finance investment company along with my professor of economics, real estate dealing, so many things. Then in 90s, while direct selling came to India, I was looking for the new areas because I was knowing direct selling as I was teaching economics and teaching marketing as one of the chapters in direct selling. I was very, excited about the opportunity in the direct selling industry to be a millionaire. And those are the days in 90s, very big companies like Amway and all entering in India in the direct selling industry history. All of you are knowing. Through my wife's classmate, medical doctor, he is also a allopathy doctor, both husband and wife doctors running the hospital in Malaysia. And he came to India taking Ganadam, that is a DXN product. And my wife, being a classmate, say no to him. We had to use the product initially. We were very excited about the result. Then no looking back, rest is the story. The rest is the history. And we worked very hard. And I decided to quit my pensionable job, UGC salary. Imagine me having nearing 1 lakh net salary in those 20 years back. What was my position? You can imagine. About UGC nearing 1 lakh rupee, I quit. I took VRS because I wanted to make 10 lakhs at least per month. Before I am too old. I started in my 50s. Now I am, I don't want to tell my age, as you know. After 20 years, how many? Yes, I am happy in this late 60s. I'm still working. And we built the business, direct selling, network marketing, alternative minutes of distribution system, MLM, what the name you call, doesn't matter, but the system works. We took it up very seriously, started working left and right and building a huge network. And today is the history. And we are the Crown Ambassador. And if you said, if you are going to ask me why I came to this industry, I came to this industry only to make money, nothing but money, 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 nothing but money, killing money. Otherwise, there is no meaning in coming to any business. If they don't have the focus of money, they are wasting their life in direct selling. I know that being both professional, I wanted to make much bigger. Our combined income was more than 5 lakhs. It's conventional, our profession and my job. Now you can imagine, I wanted to make many times higher than that. We did. And we have everything today. I have my resort in Goa. I have my resort in Mysore. I have my resort in Bangalore. I have in my resort, I have my house in Bhopal. Many, almost most of the metropolis, I have my asset. And I will have my asset also outside India, no doubt, from this industry. And you said that is first part of making money. Next part in your remaining question, I will come back. And the last point, as you said, what is my vision after 5 years? To see that where I am working, where I have built the network, where I have identified myself, my name in that industry, to take this industry at least top 10 companies in the world. Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, Professor Vasu, and so enlightened to hear from you and from all the panelists actually. So this we've just finished with the first question and we have exhausted the most important, and that have brought Professor Vasu to a stage wherein he's handling a network of 50 lakh distributors.
The most important requirement is ownership. See, अभी जो लोग यहाँ फेल होता है, ये सोचता है ये और एक जॉब है, ये दूसरे के लिए काम करना है चाहता है, वहाँ आने के समय ये अपलाइन का काम करना है, कंपनी को काम करना है, डाउनलाइन को काम, वो सोचे तो कभी वो कामयाब नहीं बनेंगे. First and foremost thing to be successful is you are a owner of this business. You are an entrepreneur. You are in a free enterprise. You have the freedom of enterprise. You have to run your own business. जब तक वो सोच दिमाग में नहीं आएंगे, कुछ भी होने वाला नहीं है. Most of the people don't do the basics because they don't think that they are the owner. They are thinking that again it is another job. They are working for somebody. The moment they decide that they are owning the business, they are an entrepreneur, they are going to develop their own business here, everything starts changing. Secondly, the team and leadership. Of course, the basic thing like dream, goal, setting, all these targets, everything is there. But most important thing here is education and training, education and training, education and training. Because nobody knows about direct selling while they are enter into this business, irrespective of their any number of degrees. People come with the ego, I am PhD, I am MBA, I am O, I am doctor. They think that I know everything. No necessity of any teaching. The mindset is they refuse to understand. They refuse to study. Because Professor Charles W. King the first vice chancellor of MLM University, he says, if this industry is very easy, very good, very profitable, why everybody doesn't enter? He says only reason, they don't understand. They don't understand this industry. This industry, anybody can enter once they understand. People like me, otherwise very difficult to bring. Since the high 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh salary people, you cannot drag to direct sell. They think that you are doing Kera footpath business. They think that you are a street wala. They called me also. A professor को क्या हो गया, दिमाग खराब हो गया, मलेशियन ने उसको मैजिक डाला, काला जादू डाला, इसीलिए इतना बड़ा पोस्ट को लोग ये चाय पिए काफी के पीछे भागता है. Yeah, I was ready to hear. I know that it will happen. I did not care for that. Those words. Today, my vengeance is those who told like that they are broke financially. They are out after 60 years, no money. Very paltry sum of pensionable income they are unable to make. As you know, 65% of the people, 90% of the people above 60 years are financially broke, because they can't go to another employment in old age. I was thinking in my 50s, I must make enough. I should not depend on anybody. I must be a giver, not a taker. Today I am a giver. I do a lot of charity also. I am very happy about that. There is no time to share in this. To save life, save children from malnutrition, anemia in India, particularly girl children. So many things from my organization I am silently doing. I am happy to do, because God has blessed me with the money. That is why I told you earlier itself, don't say no to money. Everybody. Otherwise, why we Lakshmi Puja को क्यों करते हैं यार इंडिया में? लक्ष्मी एक हमारा गॉड है. I तो लक्ष्मी को निकालना, हम कुछ नहीं करें तो लक्ष्मी चाहिए. लक्ष्मी सबको चाहिए. We have to welcome the Lakshmi. You know, this is the goddess of wealth. Hence, no, don't say no to wealth. If you have a great heart, like our Tata ji, a bachelor who is doing a lot of charity, let God bless us direct selling industry. Let God bless direct selling industry. Let God bless all of us to be, cruelly rich. That means huge. They have enough to make this society beautiful.
Perfect, sir. So perfectly resonate your thoughts that it's like money is good, money is always good, and everyone can be rich. And
Yes.
generally, the mentality of the people is that if someone is rich, if someone has risen heights, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता है, और आप सुनोगे, मतलब वो दबे मुंह में बात करते हैं कि यार ये जरूर कुछ गलत करता है तभी इतना रिच है. And at very that point, they close their door for richness.
Yes.
जैसे ही उन्होंने ये बोला कि ये अमीर है, गलत काम करके पहुंचा है, और क्योंकि मैं गलत काम कर नहीं सकता इसलिए मैं अमीर कभी बन नहीं सकता, है ना. तो वेरी वेल सेड. एंड सेकंड थिंग अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरियल माइंडसेट, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एंड यू बिलोंग टू द सेम इंडस्ट्री, दैट इज एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री. Unfortunately, in our education industry, we are teaching people, we are upbringing people to take up jobs.
Yes.
हम jobs के लिए उनको prepare कर रहे हैं, and that is something that pains me, and that's why one of the core objectives of my life, as well as I am sure your life is also, is to bring subjects like direct selling into academia, wherein
Yes,
people
sure.
can understand.
Yes, that is the need of the hour.
Develop an entrepreneurial mindset. Your energy is contagious, sir. And finally, we'll quickly wrap it up with, sir, we'll start with Professor Vasu. You, one line message to the direct sellers who are watching you. So about the career viability, one line message, single line message to the direct selling fraternity.
Of course, you are the people to create your own destiny. Don't look for somebody. The opportunity is immense. And today, even the government is with us. As you know that government of India says, rather than becoming a job seeker, become a job giver. This is the boon to us. Let us become through this sector, pious sector, holy sector. And another one point I would like to add, sir, sorry to take the time, because we have to join together as an industry to strengthen IDSA. That's our strength. That is our identity. We will make IDSA very strong to see that India will become number one direct selling country in the world. We will overtake America. That's my dream, having touched this industry. Thank you, sir.
आमेन सर, आमेन. एंड इस बार हम थोड़ा रैंडम करते हैं. दीपक जी आपसे पूछेंगे.
जी सर, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा, अभी सब ने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मैसेज दिया, और उसी में एक बात ऐड करना चाहूंगा, या तो लोग पैसा बनाएंगे या लोग बहाने बनाएंगे. जो लोग बहाने बनाते हैं वो पैसा कभी नहीं बना सकते, राइट सर. तो बहुत सारे लोग इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ट्रेनिंग मीटिंग सेमिनार. ट्रेनिंग मीटिंग सेमिनार हम करते आ रहे थे, लेकिन समय के साथ भी हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा, और ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह से लेना चाहिए. अभी जो कोविड टाइम है, हम सब लोगों ने अपनी टीम को, अपने वर्किंग स्टाइल को एकदम से मॉडिफाई किया, और हम लोग आज की डेट में जूम पे और फेसबुक पर, इन सब चीजों पर हम लोग अपने बिजनेस को लेके आ गए. तो एक्सपेंसेस बहुत कम हो गए हैं, और अर्निंग की बात करें, बिजनेस की बात करें, तो ऑलमोस्ट डबल आज की डेट में बिजनेस हो चुका है. क्योंकि पहले लोगों से अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ता था, और आज की डेट में आप रात को भी मीटिंग कर सकते हैं, दिन में भी जब चाहें जब आप सकते हैं. तो इतना ईजी हो गया है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ सीखने की जरूरत है. तो आज इतने इतने ग्रेट लीडर्स यहाँ पर हैं, इस वेबिनार से बहुत कुछ लोगों को सीखने को मिलेगा. तो मैं ये चाहूंगा, सिर्फ एक ही चीज है कि आपको सीखना है. ट्रेनिंग मीटिंग सेमिनार ऑनलाइन जैसे भी आप कर सकते हैं उसको करिए, और बहाने बनाना छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि लोग किसी से भी झूठ बोल सकते हैं, अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. तो अपने आप से कमिटमेंट चाहिए सर, वो कामयाब हो सकते हैं.
परफेक्ट सर, परफेक्ट. और चेंज का समय, और कोविड ने तो डायरेक्ट सेलिंग के लिए एक तरीके से हम बोलते हैं, मतलब ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज रही है. लोगों को हेल्थ प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में समझ में आया है कि हेल्थ प्रोडक्ट कितने जरूरी हैं. और दूसरी बात, टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस हो गई है कि मुझे ध्यान है कि पता नहीं कितने कितने पैसे खर्च करके कोई कहीं जा रहा है, कोई कहीं जा रहा है मीटिंग करने के लिए. और मुझे कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि एक जो ऑनलाइन मीटिंग है वो किसी भी तरीके से कम इफेक्टिव है.
मुझे याद है अभी
वो आ जाएगा.
जी, चेतन जी से अभी मैं मिला था, आईडीएस से, आपसे भी मैं मिला था, आईडीएस से का कॉन्फ्रेंस, हम लोग ली मेरिडियन में इकट्ठा हुए थे, और ली मेरिडियन में कितना एक्सपेंस हुआ, क्या हुआ होगा, और आज हम लोग फेसबुक पर हैं, जूम पर हैं. तो वही चीज आज हम लोग यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं. तो कितना एनर्जी, कितना टाइम सेव होता है वो.
बहुत बढ़िया. डॉक्टर प्रणव, व्हाट्स योर कोर मैसेज, सिंगल लाइन मैसेज टू द डायरेक्ट सेलिंग?
आने का बाद अगर ग्रोथ करना है, ड्रीम को अचीव करना है, तो थोड़ा ड्रीमर से आगे डिजर्विंग कैरेक्टर में जाना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा, हर चीज में लर्निंग पे एक्स्ट्रा, करने का टाइम एक्स्ट्रा, और डिसिप्लिन ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा.